hold the rings for
Ring
the
girl.
couple?
It's more very.
So
what's there?
And,
Stella will decide.
Okay,
and
I'm the one
also,
that will
do you,
Yeah.
after the vows,
That's
do you
what
have any personal words for each other?
Yeah.
It's up to you, totally up to you. No.
No, I just want to say I did this. So.
Okay.
Magkaroon ka ng concept. Kasi sinabi mo kanina.
Huwag mong ibahin yung sinabi mo.
Mag-iba na ako.
We're gathered here in the presence of our witnesses for the purpose of uniting Amor and Doreen in matrimony. I remind you both to remember that love, loyalty, and understanding are the foundations of a happy and enduring home. No other human ties are more tender, and no other vows more important than those you now assume. If you both keep these vows, your home will be happy and full of joy. Would you please join hands? Maybe someone hold the bouquet for Doreen.
Hold the bouquet.
Bye-bye.
The contract of marriage is most solemn and is not to be entered into lightly, but thoughtfully and seriously, and with a deep realization of its obligations and responsibilities. Do you, Amor, take this woman, Doreen, to be your lawful wedded wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you promise to love and comfort her, to honor her, and keep her in sickness and in health, in prosperity and adversity, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her so long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Do you, Doreen? Do you, Doreen, take this man, Amor, to be your lawful wedded husband? Do you promise to love and comfort him, to honor him, excuse me, and keep him in sickness and in health, in prosperity and adversity, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him so long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Amor, please repeat after me. I, Amor, take you, Doreen, to be my lawful wedded wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better or worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, as long as we both shall live.
as long as we shall live.
Doreen, repeat after me, please. I, Doreen, take you, Amor, to be my lawful wedded husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better or worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, as long as we both shall live. Okay, now we exchange rings. Our place and hold the ring on the ring finger of Doreen's left hand, and repeat after me. This ring I thee give.
This ring I'll be
In token and pledge.
And token and pledge.
Of my constant faith. And abiding love. With this ring I thee wed. And Doreen, place and hold the ring on the ring finger of Amor's left hand, and repeat after me. This ring I thee give. In token and pledge. Of my constant faith. And abiding love.
abide in love.
With this ring I thee wed.
With this ring I thee wed.
Now that you have joined yourselves in solemn matrimony, may you strive all your lives to meet this commitment with the same love and devotion that you now possess. By virtue of the authority vested in me as Deputy Commissioner of Marriages of the County of San Mateo, State of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Amor, you may kiss your bride. Congratulations.
That's it?
Sounds like 5 minutes there.
One more. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wait, go hug each other real quick.
Huh?
Hug each other. Come back up a little bit.
Ako din mo tanong.
1, 2. Alright.
Okay. 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Congrats.
Good.
Congrats.